What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at Bonk, one of the favorite Solana meme coins that is currently dumping with the rest of the market, of course. And I just wanted to have a little bit different type of video here to show where I like to look for bounces. So, opportunities where you could go long if you end up seeing a bit of support happening. Anyways, so what I see out of this chart is you have this level here. This is based off the weekly time frame where I find my levels. So here we have two candle high closes where the price literally turned around, and then we have found support off of it several times. Currently we are breaking through it. We also found resistance off of it, so it's a major level. It makes sense. As soon as you break through it, you're expecting to fall down to the next level, which currently you can see we have this wick low. We have these candle low closes. So I'm going to put a little bit of a ray here, basically showing we could get a bounce right there. However, really, in all honesty, if I'm looking for a long, I want this little blue area. This blue area, because you have the candle low closes, you have the candle high closes, but you have all this extra play in here. So if we can get the bonk price back down into this zone, or even tapping the top of it, that's where I would consider DCAing, possibly buying in. But until then, I don't really want to think about anything other than shorting it, if I'm being honest. Now, looking at the daily, you can see we are not oversold yet. You can see tons of negative momentum. I mean, this is kind of what happens when the world believes a recession is here. So that's what's happening. And you can also see we have a downtrend that has formed. So just making the trend here, the trend is your friend until the end. So we have this nice little downtrend that is just getting steeper. It's just getting steeper. So we have these two downtrending lines. If we hit this and we continue down, good opportunity to try and get into a short. If we break through it, that's where we start looking at what's going to happen on the next trend line. But we have to just wait and see. Anyways, coming down to your 4 hour. 4 hour, you are in oversold territory. So there is a chance for a short-term bounce off this yellow line down here at 19601. There is a possibility. I'm not saying it will happen, just the possibility's there. And it would be cool if you could get a nice back test, so possibly a 16% rise before, more than likely, the trend continuing down, unless something happens like during the pandemic when the Fed came out on a Saturday or a Sunday or something and they just lowered interest rates just cuz. That's what actually caused a huge spike in all the markets, because everybody was like, free money. So naturally it just kept going down. Also, thanks to the 4 hour, we can continue this downtrend that just selling off so harshly. But you can see right here we are continuing straight down. So we have another level in which we would want to pay attention to it if it gets there. Yes, your chart starts looking a little crazy with all these trend lines. Anyways, coming down to your 1 hour. 1 hour, you are deeply in oversold territory. Now, in the 1 hour and the 15 minute, that's usually where I like to look for my trade setup. So you can see it is a downtrend. So what I do, shout out to the YouTuber that I found this method. It's Craig. Last name's escaping me right now, but his name's Craig. He's on YouTube. Look him up. But anyways, you can see the peak here, the peak, the low. You would be looking for a test at the 618. We didn't quite get it, but it did reverse down. And then this would be the area in which we are looking for that profit-taking level. If you are looking for more information on this, check the description down below. Join the Discord, and I actually linked one of his videos that I used to get the whole setup for this fib retracement, as well as that. Join the Discord. I'll send you straight over to his page. Anyways, I like giving credit where credit is due, because this method, wow, surprisingly accurate. I'm not even gonna lie, it is surprisingly accurate. because more than likely with this new downward movement, we are going to find another entry for a short. And all my copy traders out there on Fairdesk, by the way, sponsored by Fairdesk, and you can copy trade with me. You can trade over there. There's no KYC. Unverified accounts have up to $80,000 daily withdrawal limits. If you don't want your information out there, that is one of the places to go, just so you know. Also, I will be having a new exchange that I will be partnering up with in the extremely near future, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, let's drop down to the 15-minute time frame. So the 15-minute, same idea here. You already got full profit here, so you don't need that anymore. We can get rid of it. Now we're looking for a new spot, which we missed it. Jeez. So you can see this peak right here. You can see this high right here. You can see the wick. It brought you straight to the 618, and then it reversed down. Full profit again? Oh boy, we're missing out on these trades at the moment. We are missing out. If you were paying attention very closely to this price action, you could have gained an additional 4.94%. Dang. You know, you throw a little leverage on that really adds up. Anyways, now we're just looking for where it stops the next time. Anyways, so what I see out of Bonk, it's aggressively selling off with Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. We are going to look for a bounce possibly off this 19601 level, and if it continues down, then somewhere in this blue range we should find a lot of support. That's where all of our buying pressure should be. Let's come out to the daily. Let's check out the VRVP. So let's just take a look real quick. Oh, would you look at that? Lines up greatly with the bottom of this range. That's so surprising. You also have a high volume node right here at this yellow level. That's so very surprising. Anyways, yeah, so that's what I'll be looking for when it comes to any type of bounces, any type of shorts, longs, whatever. It will be extremely hard for Bonk to get above this 25101 level. So let's say you do take a strong bounce, you come back up, you're probably looking for the price to turn around right around this high volume node, and then possibly get down here. Anyways, hopefully this video helps you out with any type of trading you're doing. Hopefully it helps you with a little bit of insight of how I like to look at the trades. And if this does help you out, if you do like this type of content, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm currently trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. It would be fantastic if I could monetize this channel and then start doing live streams here, because, you know, it's not that much fun only live streaming on Twitch and occasionally on Kick. I would like to live stream here on YouTube as well. But without further ado, go down to the description and check the links below. Join Discord, join Fairdesk, follow me on Twitch. Other than that, take it easy. Hopefully you're gaining from the downward pressure in the market, and keep those stop losses tight. I'll catch you later.